everyone. I hope you had a great week. Happy Sunday. I hope you're all doing well. And I am going to speak a little bit about diet today, but I just see this a lot these days, and I just kind of know that a lot of people are going to find this helpful. So here I am, and I'm going to blabber for next 15-20 minutes. So let's get started. Now, पता है अब बहुत सारे लोगों को अब ऐसा लगता है that oh, my diet is correct, everything is going to be great. My diet is fixed, everything else is going to be sorted. My diet is correct, I am just immune to everything, and nothing can touch me, and nothing is going to happen to me. I am taking my turmeric shots every day, I'm eating ghee every day, so my immunity is through the roof and nothing is going to happen. A lot of people just have this belief cloud, and which is great. I'm not saying it's bad, and I'm not saying that you should have a negative mindset, but just speaking about people who do have a disease or a disorder or a condition. And let's just take one example. Let's say you come to me, you consult with me, okay, and we sit down, we look into your diet. A lot of times there is something off with the food, but it's not the only thing. So just to speak with myself, I for the longest time, I have definitely struggled with my skin, with my hair, with my menstruation, with my body, with my weight. And I am not saying that I'm perfect now, but I just feel better, okay? I still have a lot of space where I can grow, where I can do better, but I feel better. And initially when I started, so say 5 years ago, I am leaving dairy, I'm not having gluten, I'm not doing carbohydrates, and I'm not doing fats, and I'm not just having junk food, processed food, outside food. But it's not like, oh, okay, I am doing this so my acne is gone. Oh, I did this so I am suddenly emotionally healed and I'm spiritually enlightened. It's not like that. Everything is a process. So even with me, when I was not eating this way, I was eating super duper clean, I still had acne. It was still like, it was just there. It was there and you could see it. And actually for this video ka upar wala thumbnail, I'm going to put the actual before after for you to see, and it is 2020. It's like literally 4-5 mahine purani baat hai, and I just need you to see that I at that point I was consulting, I was eating clean, I was doing everything correctly, my emotions were balanced, I was not in trouble, I was feeling great, the best that I felt, and everything was great at home and stuff, but I still had acne. So now there are two things that I can do. Oh, मेरे साथ ही सब गलत होता है, मैं सब कुछ ठीक से कर लूँ, मैं सब कुछ अच्छे से करती हूँ तो भी कुछ अच्छा नहीं होता, मैं इतने अच्छे से खाना खा रही हूँ तो भी मेरे साथ ही प्रॉब्लम होती है, मेरी ही स्किन खराब रहती है, मेरे साथ ही ये होता है. A lot of people have this victim mode mindset. A lot of people, and including me, even I had it, and it's like, what, I had it and I'm over it, and maybe it can help you too. So I'm going to share it with you, okay? So just having this attitude that I'm doing everything correct with my diet, so I'm going to be perfect, is false, okay? It's bullshit. It's not true. Diet, listen to me when I say this, diet is a baseline strategy. It's not a fix all कि तुमने ये ठीक कर लिया तो तुम्हारा सब कुछ ठीक है. No, it's a baseline strategy. Just because you're eating clean for 2 weeks or 3 months or 6 months, it does not mean that you're going to have a great skin, because I don't know why you have issues with your skin. No one knows. There is no test that is possibly going to tell me why is it happening. Sometimes even you don't know what is going wrong with my body, my hormones, my environmental triggers, your genes. You're sometimes predisposed to it. I have people with me who do everything correctly. They lead a proper lifestyle. Everything that I speak about, they follow it. They are my clients. They are eating well, and they still get diagnosed with PCOD. They still get diagnosed with thyroid. They are still going to have issues with their blood work. They can still have issues with their hair and acne. So this does not mean that the diet is not working, okay? It also means that it could have been worse. Okay, it could have been worse. Instead of having just acne here, you could have it all over the face. Instead of losing 100 and 150 strands of hair, you could have lost all your hair. Okay, so that's the second perspective, a second eye lens that a lot of people don't have. So just because, oh, Ankita, but I'm eating correctly, why I do not have a glowing skin? Just this attitude and just this pressure on the meal that you're eating, where you say, oh, I'm eating correctly, so I should have a great skin. No, I wish it worked that way, but it doesn't. And believe me, I have struggled so much with it. So I am eating correctly, I'm doing everything correctly, my emotions are balanced, but yaar, sometimes things go wrong. Sometimes things are off. Sometimes we think we don't have emotional issues, but we do. And देयर इज समथिंग नोन एज सप्रेशन, ठीक है। तो मान लो तुम्हारा किसी दोस्त से झगड़ा हुआ है, ब्रेकअप हुआ है, घर में कोई बात हुई है एंड इट बॉदर्स यू, बट हाँ ठीक है कोई बात नहीं, लेट्स मूव ऑन, बट दैट इमोशन and that thing that you felt when that exact thing happened, so let's say I and my boyfriend broke up and I'm saying yeah I'm okay, like I'm over men and I'm over guys and I don't care and blah 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 whatever, okay, I can do that, but that emotion that my body felt is still inside of me and I'm still wearing it subconsciously, super consciously, or just in the background, but it's there and it can sometimes show up. Yes, it can sometimes show up in the form of acne, in form of a disease, in form of disorder. You should read about this. You should read about the way your emotions give your body its shape, the way your emotions makes your skin feel. It's true, it's existing. Just because you can't touch something, just because you can't see something, that does not mean that it doesn't exist. It exists, you are just not able to see it and feel it, but it's there. Okay, so again, understand, diet is a baseline strategy. It's a strategy on which you build your life, hopefully a beautiful long life, okay, but sometimes something can go off, something can go wrong here, and sometimes there is very little we can do about something. So that's where you have to come into accepting mode and not being a victim, that why is everything happening to me and why is universe attacking me, why is God attacking me, why is life attacking me. No one is out here to attack you, no one is out here to kill you. We are all trying our best to make it better for you, but sometimes things go wrong, sometimes things don't fall into place, sometimes you can do the best things and it doesn't work. You can be the best lover in the world, you can be the best boy or girl out there, and people will still cheat on you, people will still dump you, people will still not love you. You could be the prettiest girl in the world, you could be posting 100 pictures, but you would still not get likes as someone who is a TikTok star, okay? So even this comparison is entirely incorrect and I shouldn't even be speaking about it, but just to tell you the gist as to what I'm trying to communicate here, sometimes things are off and there is nothing we can do about it. But there is, again, even when I can't do anything about it, I can still accept it, that okay, okay, hair problem, there is problem with my legs, there is problem with my skin, I do get acne sometimes, I'm eating well, my emotions are balanced, yeah, maybe there is issue with my emotions, okay? And a lot of times, because you have suppressed the emotion, you go into depression, okay? So suppression leads to depression, expression would lead towards being just not depressed and just knowing. So this is again a quick tip that I want you to take from me. So let's say I have had a heating argument with my parents for some random reason, okay? So I don't just I don't always just sleep on it. I will actually sit down with myself and I will introspect, okay, मतलब argument क्यों शुरू हुई, why did I felt so angry, and why did I react so badly, why did they react so badly, and what were we trying to communicate, and how can I make sure that this does not happen in future, and how can I make sure that I'm not holding on to it and I am able to let it go. Okay, so this is something that I do. So first things first, I don't put myself in a situation where I have to be this way, but sometimes, yeah, things happen, okay? You get into arguments, things don't fall into place, things go off. That's when you don't suppress that emotion, because the more you suppress over the years, it builds up. So right now you must be feeling okay, fine, another day, another life, moved on, but maybe your body has not moved on and the emotion is still lying somewhere, and it can show up. It always shows up in some or the other form. So I need you to know that if you have suppressed emotions and at the same time you have a diagnosis of PCOD, thyroid dysfunction, diabetes, cholesterol, heart issues, anxiety, depression, hormonal imbalances, absence of periods, acne, hair fall, anything, okay, alopecia, anything, you have to know that you have a lot of introspection to do, and no one in this world is going to be able to do it as well as you would. So I can enable the process. A psychiatrist or a psychologist or some another great dietitian or nutritionist can help you, of course, with food. But remember, it's not a fix all. It's not a band-aid. It's a baseline strategy. What you do with this, it's up to you, you know. So I recently also talked about this plant that this plant analogy, that I can tell you कि you know ये वाला soil डालो, ये वाला soil मत डालो, ये वाला seed इस मौसम में अच्छे से उगेगा, etc etc. But what you do with that soil when you are on your own is your responsibility. So every time you think, oh, Ankita's meal plan is going to fix that, oh, Ruchita's meal plan is going to fix that, or some other dietitian's meal plan is going to fix that, no one can fix it for you. No one is responsible for your health but you. So if you think that the problems to your emotional traumas is with me or with someone else, I suggest don't waste your money. Don't waste your money on people like us, because all you need to do is sit with yourself and maybe make use of this video, and maybe make use of 100 other videos that people put out here for you, for me, for people like us who sometimes need help. Okay, so diet, it's not a fix-all solution, it's a baseline strategy. Please take care of what you eat, please love your food, celebrate your food, enjoy your food. But there is also, it's not the only piece of the puzzle. It's a big and a huge part of the puzzle. But your stress, your emotions, your sleep, your energy, your past, your present, your imagination, your thoughts, and with just the way you feel about the life and the world around you, and with everything that goes on, it gives you a shape, a mental shape and a physical shape. So this glow that you are running after, of course it will come with food, of course it will come with nutrients, but it comes with a good soul. It comes with a clean energy balance. It comes with an energy balance between good and bad. So you could be the prettiest girl, okay? But if every time you look at a girl you think, oh, why is she so hot, or why is she so beautiful, or why is she so pretty, or why does she has a certain hair or skin, and you're constantly, you know, trying to bring someone down because they are prettier than you, or they are better than you, or they are more rich than you are in a negative energy balance, and it's going to show. You can be wearing the best and the costliest dress, you can be wearing the best handbag, and you can have the best shoes, and you can be the prettiest, but the energy, it will just show that, you know, it's not there, you know, it's just physical. There is something off in the background, and what this noise is off in the background, only you can fix, only you can do it for yourself. So today I just need you to sit down and see, do you have any suppressed emotions? Do you have a situation in your life that you just suppressed, and you just think that it's just, you know, it's so insignificant, it's so unimportant, but it's there and it can bother you. Not today, 20 years down the line, 30 years down the line, 40 years down the line, it happens. You know, I read this interview, something, there was this lady, she's very famous and everything, she was 60-70 years old, and in her interview, yeah, I heard it, in the interview she says that, you know, she was diagnosed with breast cancer or something. She was diagnosed with breast cancer, and she said, I was appalled when I heard that audio, and she said that, you know, all my life I have always brought other women, like, you know, just bringing people down, especially women who are better than me. So if I see a girl who is prettier than me, I will go out of my way to make her feel pathetic. If I see someone who is more successful, I will go out of my way to make them feel pathetic about themselves. And I think that accumulation of the energy all through my life is showing up in the form of cancer. That's exactly what she said. If I can find it, I'll put the link down below, but I think I don't know yaar, बहुत साल पुरानी बात है, but it's so true, and it makes so much of sense, because there is something known as energy balance, and it exists, and it's here, right? So just always know that disease and disorder and everything, it's a manifestation. It's a manifestation of the negative energy imbalance, and you can fix it the minute you decide that I want to fix it. And you're going to have that balance ka turmoil every single day. So you need to find ways to balance it every single day. It could be sleeping, it could be napping, it could be meditation, it could be yoga, it could be breathing, it could be gracefully forgiving, it could be letting go. But you have to find a way to do it, and that is what heals you. That is what brings you back to the energy balance. That is what, you know, just stills the water, this water of your life and your body and your emotions. That's how you balance it, by balancing the energies, and by not being in a victim mode. Why me? Mere saath hi kyun? No, it's okay. it happened. Let's speak about solutions. Let's see what we can do about it. Let's see how we can reverse it. Let's see how we can fix it. Let's see how we can accept it. Anything. There are so many things that we can do. But no, a lot of people, they're only focused on that one thing, that one person, that one message, that one call that they didn't receive, and that's where their life is. Okay, ये चाहिए था, ये नहीं हुआ, सब कुछ खत्म. No, you know, just wake up and just look around. There is so much to do, there is so much you can be, there is so much for you to learn, and there is so much of capacity in you to help other people, because people need you, I need you, someone else needs you, and we have to be there for each other as humans. We need to be more humans. We don't need more doctors, dietitians, healers, and surgeons. Of course we need them, they're great, it's needed. But all of us, at the end of the day, we need to be more kinder and better humans. And I think that is what is going to change the health of every person on this planet, by just trying to be more human. I hope you have a great Sunday.